Harry was with us as well.
Yeah, I want it. Sitting
Blimey.
outside. Auntie Irene was sat at the bandstand with you. We've been to that expensive one. Is it Magpie? Yeah, we've been there. But the tape. And she said, let's have a there. So she's chucking a couple across. How many come? Punch come? Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Sorry, I'm trying.